Do you use Google every single minute almost in order to make searches and find for results and any questions you want, and you just go ahead and open Google and search? Most likely the answer is yes, right? So how about if you do that and you're getting paid about $2 in cryptocurrency every single day, so you can end up having $60 through cryptocurrency in your account at the end of single month. Sounds good? This is what I'm going to show you guys today on how you can make $2 by searching Google through a site, through a different search engine that combines Google, and you can make dollars out of it. Now, before we go ahead and start on this video, let me go ahead and ask you, if you haven't already, to click that subscribe button that is located on the right side of the screen. I want you to be part of my channel if you haven't already, so because I want you to get your feedback, I want to learn from you as well. So go ahead and click the subscribe button. And with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start today's video. So what I'm showing you today is called a website called presearch.org. As always, the links are listed below on the description of the video, so you can get everything through there. And once you go to the presearch.org, you're gonna come to a login screen, and you can use your email or your email information to log in by creating an account. Just click the create account. It's going to take you to the second page, where is just put your email, a password confirmation, you use the captcha to proceed, and you go from there. Once you're in, you're going to come to this page, guys, and it's going to take you to a small tour how this works. As you can see on the very top, on the very right side, you can see how much money you do, and as quick tour, let's see what it does. The main page, guys, is very friendly, like Google. You have just a search window, you can put your results, and it says when you search, you'll be rewarded with pre-crypto tokens. It's nice, guys, because it's always nice to have a nice cryptocurrency saved somewhere, or to use cryptocurrency is very hot now, so you can take it from there. Next, you can see how many tokens you have in the top right corner. You will earn 0.25 pre-tokens per search, up to 32 searches per day, which will bring you a total of 8 pre-tokens, which if you go and search on the value of the pre-tokens is about $2 and something cents a day, so it will add up to $60 a month, and right now it's at the lowest point, guys, so this could go up, and instead of $2 a day, you can make up to $6 or $8 a day, and if you multiply that by 30 days a month, it's about $240 in your account, so it's a good amount of money, guys. So by default, when you search, your search will be go through Google search engine, which is good because the result will be the same. So you just have this as a filter beforehand to go to Google. If you want to search another site directly, just click on the corresponding icon, okay, and by corresponding icon, those three here, to see all of the search options, click the pre-search P icon, and you go from there. Okay, we get it. Want to change which icons you can search? You can click customize to add. Okay, that means if you want to add more options here, maybe you want to add Yahoo, let's say, for example, you go from there, and okay, it brings you to the next page where you are actually able to start using more things here. You are selected icons are displayed here at the top. Okay, fair enough. To add a new icon, find it in the list below. Okay, this is the options you are able to add when you do the customize. So you are able to go through all this here. You have YouTube, Zero, Yandex, Seto, Netflix, everything, all the major things are here. So you can choose when you hit the customize button, as you saw before. You can use the search field to filter your options. Correct, next. Or you can browse by category again by using the category filter. Fine, select an icon, simply click on it and it will be added. Okay, so it says here, once you click, it will bring it to the next to the next icons, or the rest icons, and to rearrange, you just drag and drop in the order you want. Okay, fair enough. To set an icon, your default search engine, drag it all the way down to the left, so whoever is gonna be your favorite one, you put it as number 1. Okay, Google would be reasonable to have it number 1 because we want to do all our research through Google like we would normally do. So you don't put Netflix here, which is a movie one, and in order to go find results for, I don't know how you do chemistry solutions. To delete an icon, simply click on it and hit the remove. Okay, that's all for now. Fair enough, guys, yeah? So let's start. Start with us, install our Firefox extension. Let's see, let me go ahead and see if we can do. What we're gonna search, how to make money online by searching Google. Oh, you guys see that? Oh, where you go? There was a little coin flipping going up. So it directly takes you guys, if it fix you, it will take you through this one. It will take you down to Google, and you can see the same results that you will do as you see Google when you do it, yeah? So if I go back, guys, already I get rewarded 0.25 pre-tokens. So let's go ahead and do how to cook pasta. Just out of curiosity. If you don't know how to cook pasta, that's an issue, guys. The easiest thing to do, but out of curiosity to see how it goes. Now, what I would suggest for you guys, in order to use this, another 25 pre-tokens are rewarded to account through cryptocurrency. So what I would like you to do, guys, is to go ahead and add pre-search or add it on your favorite windows here on your Google, and use this one. When you open, just open this one, use your research and go take it from there. It will take you to Google anyway, and you can continue from there. So this is, I think, is a pretty awesome way to make money with no any specific demand needed, and you can use this from anywhere around the world, regardless of your country, your location. It's pretty amazing. If you ask me, it's pretty amazing. So this is what I wanted to show you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Go ahead, share the video with your friends if you want to. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, guys. I want you to be on my channel. It would be an honor to have you here. I love you. I want to hear your feedback, and that's how I improve. So go ahead, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see my next video about making money online. So this is what I want to show you today. Start using these methods and start making some money. Thank you, guys. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.